Wellness to me is freedom. A morning run prepares me for my entire day. It helps me clear my mind a lot. It helps me sleep well at night. So the biggest that I've run is 11 kilometers. For somebody who has just started off a few years back thinking, why do people even run? What are they running from? And when you finally go up to doing such a big achievement, it's a personal win. It is just symbolic that, man, I can do anything. I think running has helped me become a better product manager, for that matter, more than I realized. It helps you to see things clearly, removes the noise that comes around you, come back to work every day more focused, more grounded, more rooted, and with more purpose. Guidewire has a wellness benefit that it allocates to its employees. This is an allowance that employees can use for various things that they would like to do that resonates with their wellness, and the possibilities are endless. For example, some of my colleagues, they are using it to get gym memberships, running gears, book badminton courts, or whatever appeals to their inner self and whatever means balance to them. So it's just very exciting to see all the various ways that people indulge themselves with their life apart from work that the company provides, in terms of just go get it, pursue whatever else you'd like to do, and that is something that we support you with. This allowance, it's not about a token, but it's about a huge encouragement. It has made me more efficient. It has made me a better planner in terms of my time management, made it very strategic for me to pursue my goals, both personally and professionally. I function the best when I'm pursuing all of my hobbies, passions, and work all together in the right proportion. I do not have to choose between my lifestyle and my work life. Guidewire doesn't define wellness for me. It trusts me to define it for myself.